Hey all, Liam from Killer Ink here, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the Bishop Wand Liner. The Wand is a popular cartridge-dedicated pen-style tattoo machine from Bishop Rotary that is offered in 3 versions: liner, packer and shader, with the liner being the focus of this video. So let's get into it. The Bishop Wand Liner is a specialised line and tattoo machine that excels at all types of line and work, while also being adept to blackwork and dotwork. All versions of the wand come with a fully autoclavable aluminium grip, a black and grey premium RCA cord, and a Bishop zippered hard case for taking your machine with you to conventions and guest spots. Although the shader model has a brushed motor, the wand liner, as well as the packer version, comes equipped with a 5-watt brushless Faulhaber motor with custom winding that has been specifically made to provide more torque and power. The liner has the longest stroke length out of the Bishop Wand lineup, offering a fixed 5mm stroke. It's compatible with universal Cheyenne-type needle cartridges and offers adjustable needle depth up to 6mm. The RCA connection here allows you to power the wand via the included Bishop RCA cable, or another of your own choice. You can also power this machine wirelessly if you opt for the Bishop V-Charged battery pack, sold separately, which has a shape that will integrate perfectly with the wand. The wand liner has a recommended working voltage of between 6 and 8 volts. Although it does not offer adjustable give, if you lower the voltage, it will naturally lower the give. Crafted from aircraft grade aluminium, the wand liner is a lightweight rotary that comes in a smooth matte black finish for both the machine and grip, along with a hand polished black band. The grip has been ergonomically designed to be comfortable to hold and use for those longer tattooing sessions. With the grip included, the wand liner weighs in at 113 grams, while measuring 30 and 95mm in diameter and length respectively. So what about maintenance? You can use the included silicone grease pack to apply a teardrop size amount to the wand every 6 to 8 weeks, or around every 150 hours of use. Please note that you only really need to lubricate the rotary if it starts to become noisy during use. Make sure you turn the machine on before applying the silicone grease, and use a cotton bud to precisely add a drop of lube directly onto the drive bar. You'll want to clean the inside of the chamber after 3 or 4 times lubricating the machine to ensure that the grease doesn't get near the motor. To do this, simply unscrew the grip and back plate, use a cotton bud to remove any excess silicone grease, and then screw the parts back on. Made in the USA, the Bishop Wand Liner has a 1-year warranty on all parts and is available to order from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So what do you think of the Wand Liner? Will this Bishop machine be your next rotary? Let us know in the comments below, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.